Okay, ZAP 9, ZAP 9 on 200, 300, 510, 200, 300, 510. We will have to block this account because this is not required. So we will first block it. Block, block for creation, posting, planning, block for posting. Okay. Delete, mark for deletion, mark for deletion. Okay. Okay. Now, next part is OB40. Now, this is tax purchasing. Okay. MWS output tax GST ZAP 9. Save account 100 530. Save. Okay. Okay. Output tax 100 530. And page down, page down, page down. We have VST double click 200 530. Okay. Save. Okay. SPRO. We are doing integration with MM and sales distribution now. Sales distribution, basic functions, taxes, define tax determination rules. Okay. AE, we have MWST and VST output tax, input tax. It is not needed for VST. And we will have to read this. Okay. Sequence is tax out name, tax category name, taxable, output tax, MWST, and save. It already saved. Okay. Basic functions, taxes, tax relevancy of master records. Tax relevancy is given. Customers. Um, MWST, output tax, 0, and liable for tax. Okay. So both options we have for levying taxes. Some customers will be tax exempt, some will be made to pay taxes. Okay. Maintain tax relevance for materials. MWST output tax, no tax, full tax, half tax, low tax, mixed tax, and so on. We have so many taxes. Okay, it's good. Now next is PRO MM integration. Now we okay. Enterprise structure definition, logistics. I believe we don't have a plant, right? ZAP 9, ZAP 9 plant. We have a plant. Okay, we have a plant. Okay, we have a plant. ZAP 9 plant. Let's say this is Dubai. Dubai, save. Okay, new entries. Uh, 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 um, ZAP. Okay, we have ZAP 9 already, so ZAP 0. Sharjah is ZAP 0. Sharjah. Okay, save. Okay, it's done. Copy as ZAP 8. Eight. So we have ZAP 08. Copy. We need multiple plants from enterprise structure. From enterprise structure. 8. Save. Okay, ZAP 0789. Okay. One, two, three, four. We need another ZAP 6. SAP 6. SAP 6. SAP 6. Save. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Division, define division, new entries, excess, small cars. Okay. Now this division, basically we have passenger cars. In passenger cars, we have segregation, small cars, big cars. Okay. Station wagons, these can be your divisions or business niche. Okay. Okay. Storage location, plant, SAP 9, new entries, Sharjah, SAP 9, save, SAP 0, SAP. ZAP 0 is Sharjah, ZAP 9 is, okay, ZAP 9 is also Sharjah, ZAP 0 is also Sharjah. Okay, ZAP 0 is also Sharjah. Okay, let me control Y, control Y, control C. Okay, Sharjah ZAP 0. Okay, storage location. You have to make for every plant location that we have created. Okay, now next is ZAP 6. ZAP 6 is for jail. ZAP 7. ZAP 8. and ZAP 9 is already done. Okay, fine. Hmm. Maintain purchase organization. The purchase organization is responsible for purchasing. ZAP 9 purchase org save save. ZAP 9 is our main company, main mother company. Data was saved. Okay. Um, Enterprise structure definition is done. Logistics and general assigned plant to company code. Okay. Inventories. ZAP 9, ZAP 9, ZAP 9, ZAP 0, ZAP 9, ZAP 6, ZAP 9, ZAP 7, ZAP 9, ZAP 8. Okay. ZAP 9, ZAP 0, ZAP 9, ZAP 6, ZAP 9, ZAP 9, ZAP 7, ZAP 9, ZAP 8. Save. Okay. Um, Business management, purchase organization, company code, integration, ZAP 9, ZAP 9. Okay. Edit, copy, delete, company code.